I don't know if I'm okay. I don't see the light of day. Looking up to higher ground, thinking that'll be your sweet escape. These days gotta schedule the romance. They say that love is a slow dance. A short bike ride to the crib, you should know hands. So did it feel like
just like that, we are on to a new month. Happy October, everybody. I don't know about you, but I love a fresh start, and I feel like the beginning of a new month is just that. It's the perfect time to check in with yourself, check in with your goals and your happiness. Maybe last month didn't quite go as planned. Maybe it left you feeling a little bit more run down than the last, and that's okay. Not every season of life is perfect. A new month gives you the chance to turn things around, to come into a new version of yourself, and in a sense, start over. Whatever that looks like for you, take the time to reflect and decide where you want this new month to take you.
lately I've been loaded up, losing all control. Henny with the soda, I've been on a roll, life been taking toll. I just wanna roam, I've been running from them bad days, tryna take it slower. Party on occasion, that should ease the weight off my shoulders, yeah. I said we only getting older, yeah. And tell me, are you coming over? I need to know, is you falling through? Tell me what the move is, girl, it's been a cool minute, yeah. I just wanna know, tell me what's the hold up, wanna get to know ya. Girl, I wanna show ya, yeah, that I got.
Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I am really starting off the video looking like this. I feel like we're close enough friends now to where I can start off videos like this because we have a lot to get done today, so we need to get into it. As you guys see from the title of today's video, it is going to be a monthly reset. These are my favorite videos to make just because I always am in need of a good monthly reset, and I know you guys like these for more just like productivity inspiration. So as you guys saw, I had a pretty productive morning. I'm about to put on a face mask, don't mind me. I had a pretty productive morning this morning. It is also a Monday, so I feel like Mondays are like my day to get it together for the week. So we're also getting it together for the month of, I literally forgot what month it was for a second. The month of October. I honestly cannot believe that it is already going on October, you guys. That is crazy. It feels like it was just May. It's been 4 months since then, so that's crazy. So we have a lot to do today. I really just need to like organize my life, get it together. We have like no groceries in the house. I need to clean, laundry. I went to a workout this morning. I need to plan my workouts for the week, meal prep for the week, all of that fun stuff. We are starting off the day with a little bit of self-care. I just had the shower, if you guys know what I mean. Shaving, exfoliating, washing my hair, shampoo, condition, purple shampoo, all of that. I'm going to put on a self-tan later today. And yeah, we're just getting right into it. I am so excited. All right, face mask is on. While this sits, before I do my self-tan, I'm going to be doing a little at-home laser hair removal treatment. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know I've been doing laser hair removal on my legs professionally for the last like 6 months or so. I had to take a break since it was summertime and I've been in the sun and all that, but I have been trying to decide between getting my underarms lasered for the longest time, and I kind of decided against getting it done professionally just because it's such a small area and I didn't want to pay all that money and spend all that time getting them done when I knew I could just do them myself at home. So I'll show you what I use for my underarms. It is seriously so simple, quick, and easy. I can do it in like 10 minutes. We'll show you what device I use. So I have been using the Ulike Sapphire IPL hair removing device from home because it's essentially the exact same technology that they use in a salon, but it's obviously a little bit more private, more convenient being able to do it from home. It came in the sleekest packaging. It seriously looks so luxury and so professional. I was really impressed with it. It even came with a razor to shave with before and safety glasses to wear during. After doing laser professionally, I was pretty skeptical about doing it myself at home, but it was actually so easy to do myself and it achieved the exact same results. It's FDA cleared. It has been tested in a multi-person study over a span of 4 weeks to actually prove that the results are effective and accurate. What's so nice about it is that it is pretty pain-free, you guys. It's so nice. It has a sapphire ice cooling technology, so it protects your skin, keeps it cool, keeps it pain-free during the process. And as you see, it has a flathead tip for 30 to 40% better hair removal results. Like I said, I was pretty skeptical doing any sort of like at-home hair removal device, and I've always heard that you could do it at home but never really tried it myself, and that's why I got my legs done professionally. But I am so glad I did not break the bank by getting my underarms done at a salon because it's so easy to do from home and it achieved the exact same results. So if you're kind of like me and you're like iffy about getting it done professionally because you don't want to spend the money because the prices professionally are actually insane, I highly recommend this device. It has given me the exact same results and I feel like my underarms just look so like smooth and clean personally, which I've always had like a really hard time with razor bumps. So that was the biggest reason. It wasn't even that I minded just like hair in general, it's more just I hate having bumps from razor burns. So this was pretty life-changing for me, and I know that I'll always have it at home if I need to do any touch-ups, but so far it's been pretty permanent and I haven't seen any regrowth, so I really like it. I think you guys would like it if you're also interested in getting something like this to do at home. It's a lot more private too, which is nice, so I will have the Ulike device linked down in the description box below if you're interested. Okay, now that we have showered, shaved, exfoliated, little bit of laser treatment, we are going to do a self-tanner. This is something I have been slacking on lately and I've been so pale, it's driving me insane. So new month, new me, we're getting tan. I don't know about you, but I always feel like my life, I have it together whenever I'm tan and I just look so much better. Like I look healthier whenever I'm tan. Also, it's not great to be in the sun all the time anyway. We're not trying to get wrinkles at age 26. So self-tanning is the way to go, safer way to go, protects your skin but still gives you that nice little glow. So I will show you what self-tanner I use as well. Okay, I've been hearing all about this self-tanner from Tan and I decided to order one for myself to try it out. I'm going to be doing like a before and after type of reel over on my Instagram if you guys want to see that. So go follow me over there because I'm always kind of like showing you new products that I try out. But yeah, I'm excited to try this. I haven't tried it yet, which makes me a little nervous. I got it in dark, but they do have like darker and darkest, I believe. So yeah, we're gonna try this out today. Okay, tan is on. You obviously can't really see it besides my feet. I like to cover up just so I don't get like my tanner on anything, but I'm going to give it at least an hour. It says to wait at least an hour, but sometimes I end up waiting like a few hours before washing it off just to see how dark it can get. I will say, first impression, it goes on. This one went on a lot darker than others that I've used in the past, so I'm a little nervous. I'm like hoping I don't come out like an Oompa Loompa, but I will let you guys know. Now it's time to go wash off this face mask. By the way, the face mask that I used was the Tula Clay All Day face mask. It was just like a roll-on clay, and that one's just been my go-to lately. But now, instead of putting the like face or the tanner on my face, I don't like to put this directly onto my face. I use face tanning drops. So I've been using these Isle of Paradise self-tanning drops for a while, and guys, a little bit goes a very long way with these. I have made the mistake of using like 5 to 10 drops and your face just turns out like dark, dark, dark. So not the vibe we're going for. The key is to mix it in with your moisturizer. Sometimes I'll put it together, sometimes I'll just like put it directly on my face. So I just put the moisturizer on, and then I just take a couple, just a couple drops of this, like very light drops like this. I've literally had this for over a year and I've barely used any of it. So then you just rub it in with your moisturizer. Make sure you get like every crevice of your face, because you will be able to notice where the tanner did not spread and you'll have like lines. I also put it down my neck. I put it on my ears. Just make sure that it is very well blended. That's it. So once it's all blended in, it'll take a couple hours for it to start tanning your face, but you'll definitely notice. Usually I honestly do this before bed at night, but I'm trying to avoid that because I don't want to be getting any self tanner on my sheets. So I'm going to start getting in the habit of just doing it in the morning, and then I can just rinse my face later on in the day. But this will hopefully match my body perfectly. By the way, this super cute set is actually from Amazon. I feel like this fall my vibe is gonna be like simple, casual, but cute, especially with me working from home, and I am all about a good matching set. It is like this really thick knit fabric, super good quality, obviously just like these flowy pants. Also, we have all the fall vibes in here. If you guys watched my last video, I showed you guys me setting up this clothing rack myself, and I'm finally getting to the point of kind of like decorating it or just putting clothes on it. I just got in a huge order from Abercrombie and Amazon, so I'm definitely going to be doing a haul over on my Instagram if you guys want to see that. All right, we are letting the hair natural dry today. It is a super windy day out today, but it feels like fall finally. Starving, so let's go make some breakfast.
I long for that feeling. Why did it have to go away? I long for that feeling. Remember everything you said.
All right, while I sit down and eat my breakfast, I'm just going to multitask a little bit. I need to sit down and get a little bit of work done, reply to some emails, and edit out a sponsorship to a brand. So I'm going to spend just like 30 minutes doing some of that today. Real quick, while Nala goes potty, I wanted to tell you guys that this video is in collab with one of my really good friends, Bailey Stokes. If you guys have been following me for a while for my teacher content, I'm sure you guys already follow her on YouTube or Instagram. She is also a teacher, and if you guys like that day in the life of a teacher content, she is the best at it. Definitely go give her a subscribe over on her channel and follow her Instagram if you guys love that stuff. But we are teaming up to do a really big giveaway. We've been wanting to do something together for a really long long time. We've been friends through social media for years, and so I'm so excited to finally be teaming up with her on this. And we are going to be giving away 3 $50 gift cards to Starbucks, Target, and Amazon. We both agreed those are our favorite places to shop at, and I know you guys love those places as well. So one of you guys will be winning $150 of gift cards. All you have to do is make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and her channel, and then follow us both on Instagram. Our Instagrams are always linked in the description box below. Just comment on both of our recent videos that you entered. That's all you have to do, simple as that. Just make sure you comment that you entered so that we can reply to your comment and let you know if you won, and then we'll find you on Instagram as well and send you a DM over there, and then we will send you the gift cards. So simple as that. Let me know if you guys have any questions about that, and I am so excited for one of you guys to win. We will be announcing the winner in just a few days. Alright, since I last came on here, I have gotten a lot done, and I'll tell you what all I got checked off of my to-do list. We have had a busy day today, so let me catch you up. We got a lot of admin work done. I sent a brand deal that I edited off to a brand to get approved, started editing a video, all of that computer stuff out of the way. As you guys saw, I also blow dried my hair. It's no longer wet and frizzy. I just threw it up because we're having a cozy day today, let's be real. I just went through with a round brush. I don't know why it's so hard for me to say. A round brush blow dryer. Try saying that 5 times. And I love it. It just like really sleeks back my hair, like makes it more sleek. Why am I having problems speaking today? So yeah, that's what we did with the hair situation. I went and tidied up the house, just did some dishes, some laundry, just things that often get like put off throughout the week. I feel like usually for us that is laundry, dishes, things like that. So I went ahead and got all of that tedious stuff done. I painted my nails as well. We're getting it done, guys. I painted my toes, painted my nails. I originally had this like god-awful blue color. I feel like it was kind of the vibe in summertime a month ago, but it's no longer the vibe. So took off the bright blue, put on this cozy brownish beige color. Honestly, it's literally the exact same color as my outfit that I'm wearing right now. We're matching toes and fingernails. We also went to the grocery store and meal prepped, meal planned for the week. I like to kind of decide what we're eating in advance so that I don't stray too much whenever I go to the store. So we stuck to healthy meals for the week. If you guys want to see like a what I eat in a week style video, I would love to film it for you guys. But yeah, we got a lot done and I'm feeling so good, so refreshed. I feel like now I can just relax the rest of the night because we finally tackled our to-do list. If you guys like this style of video, just like productive motivation style videos, you guys know this is right up my alley. I absolutely love filming these. I can do weekly resets just along with monthly resets. So if you guys are interested in more of these, definitely give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. I love and appreciate you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.